While cleaning your i1 Sota oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off button to begin the cooling process. The cooling process can take up to 45 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the oven screen says, "Oven off, safe to clean." Step 2. Clean the wire rack. Remove the wire rack by gently lifting it up. Spray oven cleaner on the wire rack and gently scrub with a scrub pad. Rinse with cold water and dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 3. Clean the jet plate. Remove the jet plate by lifting it out of the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plate and gently scrub with a scrub pad. Rinse with cold water and dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the air filter. Remove the air filter on the back of the oven. Rinse the air filter thoroughly with cold water. Let the air filter dry completely before reinstalling. Replace the air filter if it is deteriorated. Step 5. Clean the crumb tray. Remove the crumb tray and clean it out with a clean cloth. Step 6. Clean the oven cavity. Remove any large particles from the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner in the oven interior, avoiding the catalytic converter in the back of the oven. Do not spray into the back of the oven. Use a scrub pad to clean the oven interior. Wipe the excess oven cleaner with a clean damp towel. Step 7. Reinstall components. Reinstall the jet plate into the oven cavity. Reinstall the wire rack. Reinstall the air filter in the back of the oven. Reinstall the crumb tray. Step 8. Clean oven exterior. With a damp cloth towel, wipe down the entire oven exterior, including the top, front, back, sides, door, and door handle. Press the clean icon on the oven screen to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your i1 Sota. Contact your sales representative to order more cleaning supplies.